In today's video, I will walk you through how to send a payment receipt in Xero. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Begin by logging into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, look across the top of the screen and click on Sales. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, select Invoices. This is where all of your invoicing activity is stored and where you'll find the invoice connected to the payment receipt you want to send. After the Invoices page opens, you'll see different tabs that organize your invoices by status. Click on the Paid tab to display only the invoices that have already been paid. This makes it much easier to find the transaction you're looking for. Locate the paid invoice you want to work with and click on it to open the invoice details. On the invoice page, you'll see the list of payments that have been applied to that invoice. Select the specific payment you want to use. This opens the payment details, where you can review information such as when the payment was made and who made it. Next, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the Options menu. A list of available actions will appear. From that menu, choose Send Receipt. This opens the receipt email so you can prepare it before sending. You'll now need to complete the email details, enter the recipient's email address if needed, check the subject line, and review any message that will be included with the receipt. If you want to include a personalized message, add it before sending. Take a moment to review everything carefully to make sure the information is accurate and ready to be delivered to the correct recipient. Once you've confirmed that all the details are correct, click the Send button. Xero will immediately send the payment receipt to your client. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you. I'll see you in the next video.